Hello. So basically, this year I gave prelims and I got 140 plus in the prelims, and then I couldn't qualify in CSAT. But then I thought, let me share my knowledge on YouTube and see if it's helpful to anybody. And also because this is the right time to, at least have next year prelims in mind if you want to like really ace it. So this is my story. So basically last year December I have started my proper prelims preparation. In my mind I just had forest services in my mind. So my only goal was just to clear the prelims but at the maximum of the maximum highest score. So exclusively I started preparing for prelims from December 26th. The exam was supposed to happen in May, and because of the pandemic, it has extended to October. So, exclusively December 26th to October, I have been preparing only for prelims. I think it's a kind of overkill. Even for forest, it is kind of overkill, I would say, in the hindsight. But still, nevertheless, I would tell you what I gained basically in this few months of prelims preparation. I cannot talk about mains because I haven't given any. So I thought let me just share whatever I know about prelims. If it's useful to anybody, then it is good, or else also it's fine. So, and also I have given prelims before, and before my score just stuck around 90, and it was like 1 2 marks below the cutoff or something. And then I used to look at people who are getting 140 and 150, and I used to think that how is this even possible, that like I'm struggling to get despite putting in hours. Then I realized that it's all about like how you're preparing for the exam, not the number of hours you're giving or something. Now basically I will clearly tell the differences I have seen in my the attempt where I got around 90s in prelims, and this attempt when I got around 146, like easily. Then the last attempt when I gave, I was struggling to finish even the basic books because everything was new and everybody is on, like most of the toppers say that just limit your sources. So the basic Lakshmikant spectrum, that revision only took so much time. But this attempt, I have the major chunk of the preparation. I solved mocks, and that too like crazy level. I did like almost 150 plus mocks. It looks ridiculous, but it is doable. And also, it was doable because I was parallelly doing with another friend. Like, my friend also scored 120 this time and is preparing for mains, forest, and the normal mains. So, we both used to solve most of the tests online. I was staying away from the city and everything. Like, on phone, we used to solve some tests together. And only in the last 1 month, I did mocks like proper exam preparation mode. And also, this was the major difference. The main difference is I did like ample number of mocks, and that kind of developed my analysis, the how you analyze the questions. Second is number of revisions. In the last attempt, I have like struggled to finish even two proper revisions. But this time, almost 2 months, I give exclusively only to preparation, like revision, only revision of the mocks, and also the revision of the basic books. Lakshmikant I must have done like 15 times or something because that was my weak point. And so third is like giving more emphasis on polity and environment. Like my friend who I was preparing with, he gave this really amazing idea, and I think it worked. Like every day, as soon as we wake up, morning 1.5 hour polity, 1.5 hour environment, this revision had to be done. Like has to be done. Then only the other subjects could be like taken up. So that was the main thing. And also, the fourth main difference is like initial attempt, you're kind of emotionally like I was always in crying mode that whether I'm gonna clear, whether I'm gonna clear, whether. And this attempt after solving 150 mocks and whomever I'm asking, like any of my friend aspirant, how many mocks they're doing, they were hardly doing 20, 10, 30. Then I already knew I had so much edge. And also, one main thing I was confident in this attempt is I have started my preparation way before. I knew that prelims is like my weak point. So I have started way ahead. Maybe probably it was not necessary, but I started around December only when the prelims happened around October, and haven't even touched like mains. So, and also fifth main difference is like here earlier when I used to do 30-40 Joby Vision and Insights ka mocks, and I used to just underline in the solutions of that PDFs, solutions of that mocks, and I used to try to again revise it, like that revision makes it very cumbersome and you don't know where everything is there. This time I had everything in one place, like one place for environment. Whatever mocks I did was there, like whatever anything regarding environment also. I did some other sources, I'll tell you later in this video. So environment, everything was in one place, so I didn't have like too many sources to revise. That makes revision very easy. Initially when you're making notes you feel like it's consuming lot of time, I'll cut short this time and try to read from the solution only. But once that thing is over, the revision makes it much more, it's like everything is clear in your brain that how many revisions you have done. So that was like one major difference. And also sources majority the basic books are same only, like that it's way unnecessary to read another source of for polity other than Lakshmikant. But when it comes to environment, I did like literally 4 other sources this time, like, and also last year environment also I did. So that basically this time I didn't want to leave any stone unturned because my goal was forest services prelims. So I did almost 4 sources of environment, and after doing this I got 140 in prelims. So it is totally doable. Only thing is you have to tick all these boxes. Like if you feel like this is what has to be done to prelims, you have to do little one step extra, then you can be extremely sure like you are getting around 120-130 score. Or if you just do what others is doing, it will be kind of a game of luck. It probably you will clear, like it's kind of, it becomes on the border, and in that border khelte hi, you know that till the results are announced that time is wasted. So I hope that this video was useful, and it is very new for me to make this YouTube video also. Basically I wanted to center this channel around only prelims preparation exclusively, but because now I'm sure that whatever I've learned in these months of prelims preparation, almost a year, is definitely useful for whoever is preparing for prelims. So I'll you can comment below and tell me what all like videos would be useful, so that I'll try to make them. And I hope this video was useful, and let me know your feedback below. Thank you. Goodbye.